Hello modeling community, Dale coming at you from Pappaw's Scale Dreams. Well, this is Hinge update number B or 2, 3, whatever. So this is the first trunk that we tried to cut open. Hopefully we did a half decent job. You guys tell me. But here you go. Boom. She comes open. And there it is. Pappaw's trunk hinge. All in place. Seems to work pretty good. Pick it up. Keeps it up. Falls down real easy. So there we go. So please let me know what you think. Does it look better than having it in towards the middle? Or not? Okay, everybody. Thanks. See you later.